In front of me is OnePlus 15R, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off high performance mode. Start by opening settings and scrolling to tap on battery section available here. Now click on high performance mode and confirm your choice in the pop-up to activate it. So when I do that, as you can see, high performance is on. You can always tell because this icon at the top right corner will show up only if it's active. If you want to switch it off, tap on balance or power saving. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!